This is our table for the Belfast Zoo exhibition biodiversity fair. Here we have a lot of medical plants. We have our meadow sweet, self-heal, common plantain. We've got some sheep sorrel. We have ribwort. We have white clover. What else have we got? Is that it for now? And even a little hazelnut. More sheep sorrel. And some daisies. And we have all our little bits and pieces we've made over the last 6 months. All sorts of spoons. Bits of figure of 4 traps. A nice little snail, children's toys, harpoon points, netting needles, nice little tomahawk Paul made yesterday. Nice and sharp, you could do all sorts of work with that. Some arrows, and a really nice bow that Paul has made out of ash. Bound in leather. Really nice. And we're just getting ready for all the people to arrive. Yesterday we had a few thousand people through, so I'm actually just making up some common plantain tea. See here. It's good for all sorts of things, a good general tonic. So we'll get that in this to perk us up before the day begins.